Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This time, we're going to talk all about crypto airdrops, how to get them, and some tips so you don't miss out. Let's jump right in. Honeypot Finance is a vertically integrated liquidity hub built to solve the critical issues of idle TVL, inefficient incentives, and market fragmentation found across DeFi. By fusing fair launch mechanics with a revolutionary high-yield liquidity engine, we provide a full-stack platform that turns cultural capital into a scalable, cross-chain economic force. Honeypot has launched a campaign with points farming. We can invite friends, make swaps, provide liquidity, and complete tasks to earn points. In the future, these points will be converted into project tokens. If you don't plan to spend money for this activity, you can earn points simply by completing social tasks. To start the activity, you will need Bearer tokens. You can buy them on one of the exchanges listed here. Remember that the price of the token can drop at any time, so do your own research. 2. Go to the website and connect your wallet. 3. Complete free social tasks and collect 10 points every day. All right, folks, that's it for today's discussion about airdrops. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.